This short video will show you how to access your Google Sites that are being used for the NAIS Virtual Science Fair. At this time, you should have received an email invitation to one, if not two, different sites. One of them would be the school site that you'll be using for this Virtual Science Fair, and the other is the NAIS site that is a public site. So if you have a Google email and that was linked to the invitation, then it's very simple. You just simply sign in. However, if you don't have a Google email or a Google account, you'll need to set one up. And you just simply click that link there and follow the instructions, making sure that you assign the email that was linked to the site that was in the invitation to this account. So in this case, I have a demo here. We're going to go ahead and log in this demonstration individual. And there they are right there. And enter the password. And in this case, this is saying that I already have a Google account, and I'm going to sign in. So now I'm signed into Google, and if you sign in directly into Google Sites, it will automatically create a Gmail account for you as part of that process. Well, now that I'm in Google, I want to go to my sites. If I click on More, come down, and these will change location on this list, so you do have to look for it. Come down to Sites and click on that. In this case, this individual has a single site, and you'll notice that this is the private site. It is not shared at the moment. And so this is, in order for you to see this site, you would have to be invited to this space. So this represents a school site where the students and the e-mentors and the teachers will be working. So the next thing you might want to do is to go in and add some of your other teachers, or perhaps some of your students and eventually your e-mentors to this space, so they have access to this site, because they are going to need access to this space. In order to do that, click on More Actions, go to Share this site, enter an email address for each person that you want to have access here. And in this case, I want these individuals to be able to come in and to work in this space, but I don't want them to be owners. So I'm going to make them collaborators, and actually, and then do the invite. And if you want to add additional people, just simply put a comma, and then you can type the next name. All right. And now I will send an invitation to these individuals. I can choose to skip this invitation, or and click Send. In this case, you can see that I have one owner to this group, and I have a collaborator in this group. So now you can see how you can add individuals to your space, as well as how you can invite other people to the space. You don't necessarily have to send the invitation, but it does help on their end.